Okay, this is a video to show you how to download a worksheet from Google Classroom and then open it in a drawboard PDF so that you can write on it and then upload it back to Google Classroom turned in. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is buy the drawboard PDF app. So you're going to type in store under the search bar, and you're going to go to the Microsoft Store. And you're going to search for drawboard PDF. This one right here. Okay. Now, I have already purchased it, so I don't have to download it, but you will click install, or there should be a get button. Actually, I believe it's get. You would click that and then go through the motions of installing that. A window is gonna pop up and it's gonna say to sign in to your Microsoft account or whatever. Don't do it, just click out of that box. It should start installing. You should see like a blue line over here as the progress is working. And then when you get it over here, you would click install and then you would click launch, okay? So then you would have that launched. So what it looks like when you've launched it is, I'm going to pull mine up because it's already been downloaded. Drawboard PDF. Okay. And then this was something I was working on earlier. So you would get something that looks, you're not going to have a document pulled up, but you're going to get something that looks like this. Every little pop-up that just X out of it or hit the over arrow or whatever. They're going to be like, oh, look at this tool and look at this tool and look at this tool. Just hit the over arrow until you're done and you have a blank screen. And then what you should see is over in the left, an open or create. Okay, that's how you know you're in the right place, you've done everything, and you should just see open or create. So then what you want to make sure is that you've downloaded your worksheet. So I'm going to find the worksheet that I want to download. So I'm going to do 1.4. I'm going to hit the three dots, open in a new window, and I'm going to hit the download button. Okay, now that it's downloaded down here, okay, I can see that, so I'm done with this part. And then I'm going to go to my File Explorer, and I'm going to go to my downloads, and it should be the worksheet that I want should be right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag that into my documents folder. In my documents folder, I have made a folder with all my algebra worksheets in it. So I'm going to drag that in there, and then now I have worksheets in there. I'll have the one that I want. Okay, so I'm going to hit the X button there. Then I'm going to go to my drawboard PDF. Okay. So I'm going to hit these three lines here, or in your case, you're going to hit open and create. But in my case, because I had something else previously pulled up, I'm going to have to hit these lines. You would have hit this button. It looks like this. What you want to do is go to this button right here. So the document options, you're going to hit that. Oh, whoops, wrong one. Sorry. Three dots. Where did that open or create button go? There we go. We want to open or create, so we want something else. So I'm going to hit this button, and then I'm going to go to my File Explorer, and oh, it popped right up. I'm going to pull up the algebra worksheet that I want. I want this one, so I'm going to open that, and it should pop up. Okay. So for me, I don't like to write super small, so what you can do is make sure that it's a size that you like. So this seems a bit better for me. So I'm going to start doing my work. Oh, I need to hit my pen. No, this is the pen that I want. There we go. Okay. So then I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to do my writing, yada, yada, yada. You guys get the picture. Okay. So now I've done my writing. I'm going to scroll it back out. And then I could, if I had made a mistake, I could have used the eraser here and done that. So there's a lot of different tools. You guys can play around with it. But basically when you're done, you do need to save it. So you're going to hit those 3 lines. You're going to hit this button right here, Document Options. You want to save as. You are going to save this as the exact same thing that comes up highlighted. Make sure you're in the right spot in your Documents folder. When you click Save, it's going to ask you if you want to replace it. Yes, you do, because now you're replacing that blank PDF with the one that has your writing on it. Okay, you definitely want to save the one that has your writing on it. So you hit yes to this, and then now you've saved it. So when you go to your Google Classroom, when you go to your Google Classroom and then you go to upload your file, the 1.4 worksheet that you upload will be the PDF that has your work on it. Okay, so I hope that you are able to use that as a resource.